Hello everyone, welcome aboard Amtrak. Let me give you a quick tour inside the train. This is the washroom, compact, clean, and all you need for a comfortable ride. Isn't it nice? Here, it's a connection between the two coaches with the doors. It's a flexible but stable while you're moving. And here, I'm going to my seat. This is my seat, spacious with lots of legroom with a great window view. And here is a small dining table to grab a coffee, snacks, or even hot meal. Thanks for watching.